What's up, guys? Tommy here from Green Rhino Project, and to my Facebook group, The Cleanup. So we're going to be doing two jobs today. One job, the first job is a residential carpet cleaning. I've noted it's going to be $500, and we'll do a walkthrough to see if you need some pet treatment. And then a repeat customer after that. So should be easy 3.5 hour day. And we'll see when we get there. All right, so very easy cleaning. No pet stains really. A couple here and there, small ones. I got a really little dog, but it's well-trained dog. So I'm not gonna charge her for any pet treatment or anything. That'll be included with the cleaning. Overall, it's easy cleaning. So when we showed up, she had just finished vacuuming, and just kind of did a walkthrough, and I think it was good enough. So we're not gonna vacuum with her. So usually, we always make sure it's vacuum or vacuum. If the customer vacuum and it doesn't look like the vacuum's in too good a condition, or doesn't look like a good vacuum, then we'll redo it again. But this is gonna be an easy cleaning. So we got 4 bedrooms. We got a living room, family room, and large hallway, and some closets. Charging $500 for this job. Oh, I did notice a little bit of. I didn't notice this one in the walkthrough. That looks like pet stains. I'll treat that area right there. Definitely. But it's always nice when you show up to a really beautiful home and everything's all ready for you. Give and take, so it all balances out at the end, really, because next job is probably going to be really filthy. So she didn't mention the large walk-in bed closet here. Pretty large, right? Half of a room, pretty much. I just said not to even mention extra charge on this, because she did all the vacuuming. It's going to save us a ton of time. So need to mix up a little bit more pre-spray, finish off the living room. But as you notice, nothing's been pulled out yet. I'm pre-spraying, she's scrubbing. It's gonna give it plenty of time to dwell by the time I get all the hoses and everything going. And it just saves a lot of time, guys. That's my method. So I found when I was using the Hydro Force, as you can tell, I don't even use that anymore. I took it out. It sat there for, I don't know, 4 months, and I was like, take that thing off. I'd have to wait till everything's hooked up, right, to even pre-spray the place. So it saves a lot of time. I get this mixed up before I head to my first job with hot water. We're good. All right, so all the pre-spraying, all the spotting, and pre-scrub is done. Now all I gotta do is just hook up my hoses and run them in. so cars came out looking beautiful. One stain we couldn't get out, but she said it was there before she even moved there, so made me feel better not being able to remove it. But overall, it came out great. So we're rolling up, the fun part, huh? Sometimes it takes, on some jobs, it takes longer to roll up and shut down than do the job, but it is what it is. So customer's husband actually gonna retire from the military, and he's relatively young for retiring. So I just say, you know, if your husband gets stir crazy and he wants to do something, a business, you know, he can kind of set his own hours and work part-time if he wants, but make great money. Go ahead and check out my YouTube channel. So she's gonna pass that on to him, you know, because that's what I'm all about, guys, inspiring people to start their own thing so they can actually change their life like it did mine. All right, so the job took us exactly, we started at 10. We got here actually 5 minutes late. It's 11:42, so let's say 45 minutes. I mean, hour and 45 minutes, sorry. 45 minutes, that would have been amazing. Ticket was for $500, and she gave us a $100 tip. So, business is good. See you in the next one. All right, so we're heading off to our second job, and you can see I got it for $275 for right now. And when we show up there, I think she said she had pet problems. So we're gonna go ahead and take the light out and see if we need to do some enzymes or pet treatment on it. And if it's just 1 or 2 spots, we do that for free. But if it's excessive, you know, we charge. All right, guys. So you know how I was telling you how it all balances out. That's not good. So this one, yeah, is gonna be a tough one. But actually, you know, it shouldn't be too tough. We just gotta make sure we get the chemistry right. And that's not good. See all that debris in here? It didn't come out of there. It's just from not keeping the tools clean when you put it in there. You get debris and stuff. But anyway, yeah, we're gonna pump up this the chemistry on this job and do our best. Stay tuned. Going through, she's already doing CRV in the majority of the car, but you know, when you got dark little spots here and there, it helps out to just do a little bit extra agitation on this. That way your final extraction is just really nice and smooth instead of having to stop. So preparation is huge in carpet cleaning. Or prep. So I am doing a rinse on this because I did pump up the pH. I use a high pH product. This one I believe is Angry Lemon. much better, huh?
Out how to turn that on.
All right, so that job took just over an hour to do. Listen, the pH, knowing your chemistry is really going to make a huge difference when it comes to carpet cleaning. If I would have just been just started off with something questionable, then maybe I would have had to spend a longer time. But since we did that nice pre-spray and agitated, that rinse was actually not that bad. It actually rinsed out really, really well. And yeah, so customer was really happy. So it really makes a difference, guys. You know what quality customers you get. Okay, you price your carpets a certain way, you get quality customers. You lowball price shopper customers, you can get jobs like this all day long. So I make sure I charge, you know, appropriately. Now, if I would have said, all right, well, $150, done that job, which was 2 living areas, around the bed in one room in the hallway. But I charged $275, and I knew, because last time I came here, it was tough. So I made sure it was worth it for me. All right, so I still made almost $300 an hour. Can't complain, but really, for getting your business model structured correctly takes time. You know, just getting your pricing right and just kind of evaluating situations and stuff like that. So it takes a little time sometimes just to kind of get it dialed in. So this was a $875 day for 3 hours work, and that's including drive time. Not bad. Hey, see you in the next one.